Hey, what's up everybody? Harrington Hare here. Happy Fursuit Fridays. You know, the holiday season is now upon us, and that means that people are as busy as ever. So this week, what I would like to do is to let you know what you can look forward to on this channel during the busy holiday season. So let's get right on into it. With Thanksgiving and Black Friday coming up next week, people like me, who work in retail by the way, are going to be swamped. Our lives are going to be about the busiest they have ever been. We're going to be slammed to the gills with work, mandatory overtime. So I'm not going to be able to have the time to produce a video for you guys next week. So I'll be taking that week off, as I am going to be almost constantly at work and constantly busy. So, like I said earlier, I really won't have the time to produce a video that is of the quality that I've come to expect from myself and that I would be happy giving to you guys watching at home. But don't worry, we do have some holiday-themed episodes coming up in the very near future. I have some cool ideas and things that an episode celebrating the coming of the new year, as well as Christmas gift ideas, things like that. So there's still plenty to look forward to. 2020 has been a year. And I really appreciate your patience while we all try to pull through this together and just navigate this very unique and challenging holiday season. Next up, what I want to know is, what do you guys want to see as far as my YouTube shorts are concerned? I'm sure you've seen them popping up all over my channel. I've been trying to do one a day, talking about my earlier videos, encouraging people to go back and watch those. If you're already a subscriber or a fan, let me know what you want to see, because I'm still playing around and experimenting with that new format. So also, if you want to be in a video telling the world about the community in your home country, let me know on Twitter. Just drop me a DM and we can get you into a video. But that's going to do it for this week's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you again for your patience. I really do appreciate it, and I want to give a big thanks to my awesome patrons, Sobu Hasi and Sasha Fennec. I could not do this without you guys. Also, we recently hit a big milestone here on the channel, 200 subscribers! Thank you again so much. It really means a lot to me, and hopefully we're just going to keep growing and keep that ball rolling. So if you like this video and you want to support the channel, make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything, and if you really want to help me out, I'll put a link down to the Patreon in the description down below. Until then, guys, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye-bye.